what we do, we create a tables by using files from ADLS. Okay, and we create a tables in Azure on premises SQL Server. Okay, here is the database name, same files, and here is the three tables already present here. Airport, ABC. Okay, now here I create a three tables. Okay, and copy a files. Here is the number of files. Okay, number of files present here. So I want only this gender 1, gender 2, gender 3, and this gender. Only a gender files I want. Okay, and just copy to the tables. Okay, this files here we make gender 1, 2, and 3 tables. Okay, now create a pipelines. So here we created in previously three dynamic datasets. Now close this one and go to the pipeline, create a new pipeline. Okay, first of all give the name of pipeline, give the pipeline name like we want to create a tables files to table. I name it files to tables. After that we just want files name first of all, so we use get metadata activity. Okay, get all files. Okay, all files, this one, and container name is input CSV, right? Here is input CSV. Copy this one and put here input CSV. Now we choose one child items in argument. Okay, debug this. Now we get the all files names we get, and then after that we filter gender. Okay, see all files name are coming. Okay, but I don't want all file, I want only gender name file. This file I want. So what I do, I just apply one filter also. Filter. Okay, filter gender. Okay, now add dynamically get all files child items. Okay, now click here dynamically. Okay, what I need only gender, so at the rate and in condition we put and equals. Okay, and here we put like item dot type. Okay, it's file, right? So we just type file, item type file, then starts with item name, what's the name, gender, right? Gender. Okay, Okay, now debug this. So it filter gender name files, only filter 1 2 3 4 files. Let's see. And after that we apply for each, because we want to create a tables one by one. Okay, see, only 24 total files and 4 files it's filter gender file. Okay, now we apply for each, so that it get the file one by one and create a table according to file. On success, click here and then sequential order. Here add dynamic filter output. Okay, click here output dot value. Okay, now go inside the for each activity and get the copyright activity. What's our source? Our source is ADLS. What's our container? Our container is input CSV. Okay, and what's your wildcard? File path. Wildcard file path are our dynamic item dot name. Okay, then go to the sync. And what your sync? Our sync is SQL Server. What is database name? Database name is this one, same files, right? So I just copy this name and database name and put here. What is table name? Table name I want same table name according to files name. I want same table name. So just go to the sync and table name dynamic for each and dot name, because I want same table name. Okay, now just here create auto create. Okay, now just debug this and we see table created according to name. Here I make in this video same name and same table name, but after this video I make how to change the name, because I don't want the full name like gender slash full slash dot data dot csv. I don't want this. I want only gender, gender 1, gender 2, gender 3. This table name I want. So how we do that? I explain these things in next video. Okay, here it succeed. Okay, pipeline is succeed. Yeah, pipeline is succeed. Now here created all the see previously airport 123 ABC, but now dbo gender full data dot csv dbo gender this one, but if you see like I want to okay see okay 10 rows. Okay, now again I run this pipeline, then we see 10 rows become a 20 rows because it's created duplicate and we don't want duplicate. So how we eradicate the duplicates? We just apply a truncate in pre-copy script. In copy data activity we have a sync. In sync side we have a option pre-copy script where we put truncate and truncate it dynamically. Okay, so that it truncate the table before insert the data into a table, because first time I created the table, that's why I'm not put the truncate. See, if I execute this again, then it shows 20 rows instead of 10 rows because it's created duplicate. Okay, now succeed the pipeline. Which one is copy? See, or this one here, I think we see this one is gender one full data one. Okay, this one is gender full data, only gender. Okay, this one is gender full data. Okay, now we execute that, then we see 20 rows instead of 10 rows. Okay, see 20 rows instead of 10 rows because it's create a duplicate. See, Tavalvia 1, Tavalvia 2, Pseudonymma 1, Tavalvia 2, Pseudonymma, and this is duplicate. Okay, so how to remove the duplicate? So we want to truncate the table dynamically. So here in sync side, copy data activity sync side, right, we go to pre-copy script and here we dynamically truncate the table. So we just type truncate table bracket at the rate item item bracket dot name. Okay, this one we type and now okay. Okay, yeah, now we debug again. This time if I execute now, then it's 10 rows instead of 20 rows because it truncated the table before copying the data, insert the data. Okay, now we see because of truncate, it truncated the table. before copy insert the data. First truncate, then insert the data. Okay. See. Okay. Now see that. Now execute. Then it's 10 rows instead of 20 rows because it's truncate the table before copying. See, 10 rows because we truncate the table before copying the data. Okay, that's it for today video. Next time we see how we change the name because we don't want this name. I want only this name. Next video we see that. And also we add one, this one also I want to add this. Okay, we see these things in next video.